Acha tupeleke wanyama wanwe maji jamani, hao vinyago pia.
Mombasa's renowned wildlife sculptures have been taken down from prominent locations in the city. This action stems from a dispute between Mombasa Cement, the company responsible for using the sculptures to enhance the beauty of the tourist town, and the Mombasa County Government over a controversial directive that ordered the company and its owner Mr. Hasmukh Patel to cease its philanthropic activities in public hospitals. Mr. Patel had been covering the medical and funeral expenses of patients in Mombasa's public hospitals who were unable to afford them. The sculptures were situated at the 6 main roundabouts in the city, particularly in the central business district, and consisted of crocodiles, buffaloes, sharks, camels, and lions. Mombasa Cement undertook this project after years of neglect had rendered the roundabouts unsightly for both locals and tourists. The roundabouts had become illegal dumping grounds, but with the collaboration of the previous county government, the private operator rehabilitated them and transformed them into attractive tourist attractions with scenic beauty. The initiative also provided employment opportunities for many young individuals who were hired to clean the roundabouts and safeguard the solar panels that powered them. Furthermore, the removal of the wildlife sculptures will also impact the famous Kibarani Recreational Park, a major tourist attraction. Kibarani serves as the gateway connecting Mombasa Island to the mainland. However, the cement company announced on Wednesday that it would relocate the sculptures to the neighboring Kilifi County after its governor showed openness to the idea of the sculptures being moved. The company expressed enthusiasm about the new partnership. During the relocation process, which is expected to take a month, company officials present at the event indirectly criticized the county government by citing water shortages as the reason for the move. The area member of the county assembly characterized the ongoing conflict between the company and the Mombasa County Government as a friendly scuffle. He reassured that there were no major issues with the county government, emphasizing their collaboration and stating that any problems would be resolved. The company has confirmed that its free feeding program in Mombasa would continue but declined to comment on the order to cease payment of bills for patients in the county's public hospitals. Recently, the Mombasa High Court intervened and halted the implementation of an order that prevented Mombasa Cement from assisting patients who were unable to pay their substantial bills at the Coast General Teaching and Referral Hospital. Justice Olga Sewe granted an urgent application to nullify the county's directive and permitted a lobby group to seek a court order permanently suspending the memo that conveyed the directive. To get more news, leave a like and comment below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Kenyan News channel.